Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to easily insert GIF and sticker into your presentation on Google Slides. It is a new update. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, in my laptop and desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just open Google Slides. So Google Slide is used for different types of presentation you can share with online, and you can share and edit whatever you want you can do. So here a new update which is came from the Google Slides, that is new GIF and sticker in Slides. So easily insert GIF and stickers into your presentation by going into insert image, and GIF stickers will be there. So how to use this one, how to activate this one, let me show you. Just click got it, and that is a message from the Google itself they have given over here. So just click on the images over there. So there will be a GIF and stickers will be there. Just hit the buttons GIF and stickers. There will be a GIF and stickers will be open here as a pop-up. So if you want to search a sticker, you can search the sticker as well as the GIF. So you will be having lot of options will be there. So you can select, or you just search any types of stickers or backgrounds. So I just type a light, LIGHT light, yeah. So lights will be there. So whatever you are searching, the every GIF will be added over here. So just select some of the lights and insert this one. Just select this one, click insert option. Automatically your light image, that is your choosing image, will be insert in your presentation as you see here. Yeah. So the insert image will be activated over here. So you can enlarge the image, also you can put as a background as well. So I just select and add that image and GIF image. So now I just want to show you the presentation. Yes, as you see here, my presentation over here. So I just want to insert text box on top. I just want to place the text box, and I just click welcome to, yeah. Now I can show you the presentation. My presentation will be with a GIF animation with the text and everything will be there. So it is easy. So it is show easiest way. So is there some kind of watermarks over there? I just want to remove the watermark over here. So I just click here the image and GIF, or I can put some post over there on the top also. It will be easy. So what I have to do here? So just go to insert menu and insert shape. So select the shape and click the shape and make it black over here. The part will be hidden over here as you see here. Just click here for the color and just click add. Yeah, the watermarks will be removed from my things. Yeah. Similarly, I can insert one more GIF image or stickers, whatever I want I can do. So just click a new slides option. So once I click a new slides, and I can click insert image and GIF images, I can choose whatever GIF or stickers. So I just insert image over here. So as you see, so if you want to insert more GIF or any other type of stickers over there, so you can select over there and you can insert according to your needs. So similarly, you can create on topic based, and you can have a GIF image, so moving object or stickers, whatever you want you can give. So if you want a search result as a light will be in a sticker or GIF, I just select the sticker options. The sticker means the PNG will be open here. So for example, I just want to have some PNG over there. So inside mean there is no background over here, so only the image stickers will be added in my presentation as you see here. So the presentation, only the GIF image will be added over here for the stickers things. For example, human might be moving from any other places, or avatar or any kind of things will be there. So I just type avatar, yeah, human avatar or any types of avatars over there. So kind of stickers I want, the PNG will be added over here, so it will be easy for you. For example, I just have some image insert as you see here. So images will be there, so you can use according to your needs. So this is a beautiful option. So use this and create your beautiful presentation and show to your clients and your students as well as your audience. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.